Unicorn gin. Now watch this. Okay, watch this. Look at that swirl. Bang, gin, slow motion. Pour, 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 pour. Come behind that with a little bit of purple food coloring. Beautiful. Come behind that with some pink food coloring. Beautiful. Okay, now you mix those two together and look at the cool color you get. Now you hit that with a little bit of luster dust. And now you give that a swirl. Look at it. Look at it. Stir, 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 stir. Now you rebottle this bad boy in your own bottle with your little unicorn on the front. We made that label, by the way. Okay? And now you pour out and look at that. You got unicorn gin and tonic water. Still tastes the same. Still gin and tonic, but it's beautiful. Well, marshmallows. You see what I'm saying? Same drink. It's just modified. Stay tipsy.